Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm tell you how to use the can opener to open this bean can. So you can see this is a tool I'm going to use. Structure is like this, and we have a claw here, and also there's a sharp knife in this position. So how to open it? Just like this. So first, you can see, make sure you just put the knife in the inner side and like this, and then just move this one. You can see, yeah, please take a look at the top. You can see here we have already opened it, but we need just keep rotate like this. A little bit hard to use, but it works. All right, keep doing it. All right, guys, as you can see, so when you rotate here, make sure the can is in the air, okay? And we just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. And like you can see, almost there. All right, we finish just like this. You can see we just successfully open it, and this is how it looks. That's it. Thanks for watching.